in this bitch going down, Dream Case.
That's it. I'm here with Meek. We here in Brooklyn, right?
Yeah, yes sir.
You supporting Danny Garcia?
Yeah, one time for Danny Garcia, the legend. His retirement night, you better fuck him up tonight too, gang.
That's it, man. Another fighter, we went in Philly for Boots. A sensational performance. He got the first round knockout. What you think about Boots?
It was so crazy that my TV paused as soon as he knocked him out. That was crazy as shit. But shout out to Boots. Boots the next legend to come up in this shit.
How does Crawford and Boots play out, Meek?
Crawford and Boots play out? I'm rocking with Boots, of course. I'm from Philly. Crawford, you already know you about to meet this Philly shit. It's all love, but you about to see what this Philly shit about. We real monsters. Let's get it.
What projects you got coming out, Meek, that we can look out for the fans?
My new album about to come out any day now. This is on Bip.
What's the name of the best single on there?
Let's Win.
That's great. That's it, man. Meek, thank you for your time, man.
All right, love, man.
It's all love.